I believe I can fly.
I got a bunch of stuff from the cubicle, and let me unbox them with you. So, I bought a shirt, and I don't look very handsome right now. So let me put on this shirt. So, it has plastic. Good. Okay. I did it, guys. I'm proud of me. So, let me put this on. So, plastic. But now, the best thing from the unboxing, the blank center cap, are center caps without logo.
Oh my God!
So this blank center cap is for the V5. I don't have a V5, but I have the Yo Cube. ASMR. You know the logo from the Yo Cube, like, got off, and now it looks like a normal V5. Okay, so this is a blank center cap. Let's get rid of this. And now it doesn't have a logo. Nice.
Nice.
And we can do that at the V9, which looks perfect without a logo. So buy blank center caps. But now for the moment we were waiting for. The smallest cube in the world! But no, I'm lying actually. There's a smaller one, but this is the smallest one which you can buy. So, let's open it. Where is even the cube? I can't see it. I don't know. Okay, but let's open this up. Nice wrapping. Some ASMR, because we love ASMR. Oh, the cube. Uh-oh. Okay. Wow, this is tiny. It even turns. Because you know, I'm going in a week at a cube competition, and I need a new main cube. And I bought this one because everybody was saying it's so smooth and they break all of their records instantly. So yeah, I'm gonna use this as a competition. And they say it's 1 centimeter. So let's see if it is 1 centimeter. They were not lying. It is 1 centimeter. So let's do a solve. So I got the timer, cool band timer, and I noticed something. This Rubik's Cube, the world's smallest Rubik's Cube, is smaller than my fingernail. Like, look at this. Wow. Wow, right?
Wow.
So, yeah, now somebody's scrambling out the mini cube. Introduce yourself.
My name is Emma. Thanks for having me here today. That is the smallest cube I've ever seen, and I work at the Cube Factory. Can I unscramble it for you?
Yeah. So let's see what she does. Wow, 2 moves. Oh my gosh. Nice. What do you think?
I think it's going well so far. Still got some work to do.
Yeah, me too.
A smooth ride, though. Very smooth.
Yeah, like really, guys, buy this cube. It's so good.
It's the best cube on the market right now.
It's just $7.99. Oh! So, Emma scrambled this Rubik's Cube. So let me solve it. We got a cross here. So, let's see. Look at this turn speed. Almost done with F12. Done with F12 at 1 minute and 40 seconds. Seven minutes. So guys, I solved this mini Rubik's Cube in 8 minutes and 26 seconds, but I got a +2, so 8 minutes and 28 seconds. But all the stuff which I bought is cool. This mini Rubik's Cube just cost me $7 on the cubicle, and this shirt, I look so handsome right now.
Oh my God!
And the blank center caps are cool, and I'm not sponsored from the cubicle, but I like the cubicle. And yeah, thank you for watching, and guess what?
Subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe and like and comment. Special shout out for my cameraman, Nick. And shout out for my assistant, Emma. And the director, Mark. Bye.